You can import an After Effects project into another After Effects project, which is useful for collaborating with others and for reusing pieces of work that you've done before. Also, you can import Premiere Pro projects and projects from Final Cut Pro into After Effects. Let's see how to do it. I'll choose File, Import, File, and then navigate to the importing folder, and I'll choose the Introducing project. Click Open, and notice that we have a new folder in the project panel that it's named after the project, introducing.aep. And inside of this, we have all of the contents of the Introducing project. This is the composition that we want to reuse. I'll open it so that we can have a look. If this is the only part of this imported project that we want to use, we can discard all other items. First, let's look at how much we brought in here. It's quite a lot of footage. We don't necessarily need it all. In fact, you can see what is used and not used in a project by typing in the search field. I'll type unused. And here, after I've typed unused, all of the unused items are shown in the project panel. If I instead type used, then we can just see the items that are used, which is only one movie and one adjustment layer. So I'll clear the search here, select the composition in the project panel, and choose File, Reduce Project. And this says that 26 items that were not used were removed from the project. These have not been deleted from my hard drive, they've just been removed from the project. So it's that simple to reuse items from another After Effects project. Let's now look at importing a project from Premiere Pro. I'll go to File, Revert, to undo all of the changes that we've done in this project, just so we can start fresh. Click Yes. Now we have a clean project with nothing in our footage folder. I'll go to File, Import, Adobe Premiere Pro project, and navigate to import.proj, which is the file name extension for Premiere Pro project, and click Open. I can choose to import all of the sequences or just one of the sequences. We'll choose all, click OK. And here we have a timeline from Premiere Pro. I'll just play through this really quickly. When you import a Premiere Pro project, not quite everything is converted over. The exact same things are converted over when you import a Premiere Pro project as when you use copy and paste to copy between Premiere Pro and After Effects. For complete details of what is converted, see Premiere Pro Help or After Effects Help. You can get to Help by going here, Help, After Effects Help, or you can do a search here in the search field for the specific thing that you're looking for. So here, if you were to enter import Premiere Pro project and hit enter, then you'd get search results about this specific issue. But let's move on. Let's again go to File, Revert, to go back to a fresh project. And now let's import a Final Cut Pro project. File, Import, Pro Import After Effects. The Pro Import After Effects command uses software that is related to software from Automatic Duck called Pro Import AE. Click this, navigate to the XML representation of the Final Cut Pro project, sequence1.xml in this case, click Import, and it tells us that some video files are missing, but that's okay, that's to be expected. Usually when you move a project from one computer to another, you have to relink some of the footage, but it's relatively easy. I'll click OK. Then go into the sequence folder, choose one of the items that has missing footage, double-click on it, and then just navigate to where that footage is. Here is our Hip Hop Girl 02 movie. I'll click OK. And it says that another of the previously missing items has been found. So when you manually tell it where one movie is, it will search in that same folder for other movies, and in this case, it found another one. I'll double-click Sequence 1, and we can see the movie. Notice that all of the cuts made in Final Cut Pro come across as separate layers in After Effects. You can also use the Pro Import After Effects command to import AAF and OMF projects. So it's very easy to bring in items from projects created with either After Effects or other applications so that you can reuse elements created earlier or collaborate with others working on the same project.